Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will be talking about the tactical high-power operational responder drone countering microwave-based energy weapon. Please remember to like and subscribe. Alright, let's get right into it. Fact 1. Microwave-based. The THOR represents a paradigm-shifting advancement in modern military technology, emerging as a cutting-edge microwave-based energy weapon. Developed by the United States Air Force Research Laboratory, THOR harnesses the power of directed energy to revolutionize the landscape of military operations. At its core, THOR is designed to counter threats posed by drones and other unmanned aerial systems. By emitting high-power microwave pulses, it disrupts the electronics and communication systems of adversary drones, rendering them effectively neutralized. This innovative approach minimizes collateral damage and offers a non-kinetic means to counter hostile aerial threats. The microwave-based energy weapon concept leverages speed-of-light targeting and engagement, making THOR an agile and rapid response solution against rapidly evolving threats. Its adaptable nature allows it to address a range of scenarios, from safeguarding military installations to protecting civilian populations from potential drone-based hazards. THOR's development underscores the United States Air Force's commitment to innovation and strategic advancement by integrating cutting-edge technology into its arsenal. Alright, let's get into the next fact. Fact 2. Continuous firing. The tactical high-power operational responder THOR marks a groundbreaking milestone in military technology, emerging as an energy weapon with unparalleled capabilities. Developed by the United States Air Force Research Laboratory, THOR showcases the potential to revolutionize modern warfare through its continuous fire energy emission. Unlike conventional weapons that require ammunition, THOR leverages directed energy to engage adversaries. With its remarkable feature of continuous firing, THOR can sustain a powerful energy output for extended periods, effectively neutralizing threats without the constraints of reloading or resupply. THOR's innovation lies in its ability to engage multiple targets rapidly and efficiently, offering a decisive advantage in dynamic and rapidly evolving combat scenarios. Its capacity to generate and sustain high-power energy beams presents a formidable deterrent and offensive capability, elevating the effectiveness and precision of military operations. By harnessing energy as a weapon, THOR signifies the future of military technology, where the convergence of cutting-edge engineering and scientific advancements redefines the boundaries of combat effectiveness. Alright, let's get into the next fact. Fact 3. Wide beam. The tactical high-power operational responder THOR emerges as a cutting-edge energy weapon that showcases a transformative advancement in military technology. Developed by the United States Air Force, THOR's defining feature is its remarkable ability to generate a wide and potent energy beam. Employing directed energy technology, THOR harnesses high-power microwaves to produce a concentrated beam that can neutralize a variety of threats. What sets THOR apart is its wide beam capability, which allows it to target and engage multiple targets within a designated area simultaneously. This attribute enhances its operational effectiveness and provides a strategic advantage in scenarios where rapid responses to multiple threats are crucial. THOR's energy weapon technology aligns with the U.S. Air Force evolving approach to modern warfare, offering a non-lethal yet highly effective means of countering threats. The wide beam feature signifies its capacity to address complex and dynamic combat situations, making it well-suited for both offensive and defensive operations. As technology continues to redefine the landscape of military capabilities, THOR stands as a testament to the United States Air Force's commitment to innovation. Its wide beam energy weapon exemplifies a future-focused strategy that leverages advanced technologies to maintain a position of dominance and security in an ever-evolving global security environment. Alright, let's get into the next fact. Fact 4. Extension to other weapons. THOR is a cutting-edge directed energy weapon developed by the United States Air Force Research Laboratory, possesses a remarkable potential for expansion across various weapon platforms. THOR's adaptability lies in its innovative design, which allows it to be integrated with different types of military systems. THOR's modular architecture and advanced technology offer the flexibility to adapt its high-power microwave capabilities to different operational needs. This adaptability makes it feasible for THOR's technology to be extended to other weapons, such as ground-based systems, naval platforms, or even airborne assets. By leveraging THOR's capabilities in other weapon contexts, the United States Air Force could significantly enhance its strategic capabilities. This adaptability ensures that THOR's cutting-edge directed energy technology can be harnessed across diverse operational environments, contributing to a comprehensive and integrated approach to modern warfare. In essence, THOR's potential for extension to other weapons embodies the future of military technology. Alright, let's get into the next and final fact. Fact 5. THOR emerges as a cutting-edge technological endeavor developed at a cost of $18 million, created to address emerging threats in electronic warfare and protect military assets. THOR exemplifies the United States' commitment to staying ahead in the realm of advanced defense systems. THOR's development cost underscores the investment required to pioneer innovative solutions in the face of evolving challenges. As a directed energy weapon, it harnesses high-power microwave technology to counter adversarial drones and electronic systems. Its adaptability and rapid response capabilities set it apart as a versatile tool for modern warfare. The $18 million investment reflects the resources allocated towards research, design, and testing phases, ensuring THOR's reliability, efficacy, and integration into the United States military arsenal. In an era where technological superiority is paramount, the cost of developing THOR signifies the importance placed on maintaining a competitive edge while safeguarding against emerging threats. Ultimately, the development cost of THOR symbolizes the nation's proactive stance in advancing defense capabilities. Alright, that's it for the video today. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. See you next time.